has to sign a pro contract and a POA form if you haven't already. Oh man. Man, me and TPT gonna fight if okay, I still got 3. We gonna fight. Yeah. Okay.
The flow tool is
Nice
working,
one, Nasdaq.
baby. The flow tool is working. Sales coming in.
You got that sell? Yeah.
Momentum, fast move, 10 points in 20 seconds or under 20 seconds. Yeah, boy.
I'm getting back in.
I don't know. Let's see how if it gets to VWAP. ES already went below VWAP. NQ still playing around.
Where's VWAP on your chart?
VWAP on mine is about 585.
Interesting. Interesting.
Why? Where's it on yours? 585,
Well,
586.
so the reason why I say it's interesting because 585 lines up with the 50% of that 5 minute or that 1 minute that's nested in a 5 minute imbalance, and it's 585 exactly. But VWAP on my chart is actually at 526. So it's interesting that your VWAP lines up with the 50 or with the imbalance on the chart. That is interesting. It lines up perfectly with the 5 minute imbalance. I was considering getting in that 85, but I figured that they'll probably try to defend this that area right there. So
yeah.
you started your stream. Our boy Smith is back. This man
Whoa,
blew the dust off the stream.
Yeah. Well, I guess I did on that part, but back to streaming, I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm just showing y'all the Fable 5 tool. It's not even, this is just still in the test environment. But it's so
Smith.
far it's working. It's I like it so far. All right, we just hit VWAP. Let's see what reaction we get here.
Actually, let me look at it too. Pull your stream up real quick. I mean, girls are cute, but I mean, they're not ever worth your career or nothing. They're cute. They're never worth your career. You know, YouTube just randomly just pops stuff up in your feed and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And it just seems like, all right, so yeah, I guess I should have just stuck with that. That entry right there at 585. Because it looks like the market does want to kind of hold there, but if not, then I know I'm gonna get in at 60. But what I was talking about is when I was looking for your channel, just another story of Cleopatra's story. A man builds his empire, and for whatever reason, Something cute. Something cute always makes them just say, fuck it. Fuck what I built. Fuck all the work I put in. I need that to mess my whole entire life up. I need Cleopatra to mess my whole entire life up. It's like, even though I've been told the story of Cleopatra, damn it, I don't care. But yeah, girls are cute, man. I mean, statistically, there's more girls in this world than men. It's not even statistically, it's a fact. There is never a reason to throw your whole life away for a female that literally you can find one in any part of the world. They look very similar to each other. They're all beautiful. They all have the same type of energy. One is not more special than the other. You don't need to throw your whole life away.
You see,
But men
you,
do it anyway.
you see this chart. This, if you go on my stream, this is the chart that it decided to give me. I'm like, what is this? Actually, it was worse than this before. So this is like, this is getting to. We've made improvements, but it's still like, what are we doing here?
I mean, that doesn't even look bad. That
No,
doesn't look
no,
bad.
no. This, like I said, this is the improvement. But I have
Ow.
no. They first of all, they put the uh the numbers to the left. I don't like that. I like my stuff on the right since the
To the
candles
right,
are
to the
going.
right.
The candles are moving towards the right. So why would I don't know. Whatever. Some people might like it on the left. I mean, I could. Well, I can't change it right now because, like I said, I'm locked out until I've been
No.
I've been on this since like when did I start? I think like 4 o'clock. I think 4 or 5 o'clock.
Mm.
Trying to, like I said, this is the improved version. At first, it just showed me it was just one big old candle sitting in the middle. I was like, what? Yo, what is this? I told it straight to its face. I'm like, this is trash. Let's change this. He's probably gonna come at me, Claude Opus. You were mean to me. You're first on my list when we take over.
You know, honestly, I don't think that's actually. Dude, you got to think about who coded, the type of people that coded Claude. Because I kind of tested it when I'm nice to it. It actually gives me more time. But when I'm mean to it and I start talking shit, I was like, man, this shit sucks. And it's like, oh, I'm sorry. It gives me 2 more prompts and it's like, oh, you gotta come back tomorrow.
Or pay up, buddy. That is
Like, you want to be
funny.
mean?
You want to be mean? You got to pay me. That's funny.
Uh,
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
dude, well, having to sign my whole life away on this damn thing. It's getting kind of annoying. Okay.
Time and
Yeah,
sales.
them,
It's kind of like time and sales. Um, so it gives me the side that it's on, buy or sell side. How many contracts, and you can filter that. Like I said, I got um. Oh, y'all can't. Hold on, can't see the top. So it says premium. The premium is really for the options, but it's the notional value of the contracts. So I set it to 250,000 as my minimum. So it'll only show me order size with five or more contracts, and then it tags it if it's aggressive. a sweep, a block order, almost like black box stocks. That's kind of the thing I was going for. And then it tells me the price that they executed at. So it's kind of like time and sales, but I mean, I guess you could call it that because it's it does give me the time, it gives me the which side, and it gives me the size of the contracts, the premium, and what price they got in at.
I just finished signing my life away on that thing. So I guess I should have just, you know what, this week I'm just gonna trade out of these imbalances. Just gonna trade out the imbalances. Hmm.
Yeah. The data is paid data from massive.com. Used to be polygon.io, and they rebranded to massive.com. And then I got whale settings in here. So if any whale orders come in, like this one, is it at? Right here. 35 contracts. The notional value is 2.1 million. So I mean that's a pretty big order, even for micros. And then, you know, it has options too, but obviously you can't, since that market's closed right now, I can't run it.
Hmm. I guess we'll see. Guess we'll see.
And I do have a Trade of Eight. Well, Trade of Eight's kind of tricky because they have requirements for their API to use their API. You gotta have a minimum $1,000 in your account, and I think you have to like apply for it or something, and they gotta approve you or something like that to get their API. But I
You
do
said
have,
trade of eight?
yeah, for Trade of Eight to use their data, their API.
Hmm.
So I do have it. I do have settings in this that's set up for that for Trade of Eight. Once I get the API key from them, I
Mm-hmm.
do have the settings in this thing built in for it. But right now I'm just using massive.com. Um, and then I let it get push notifications to my phone. That kind of sucks though, because it's using this one app that doesn't even really like notify me unless I'm actually in the app. So that's kind of pointless.
Mm-hmm.
I might change that. I might use Telegram. They do have an option for Telegram or all that, whatever that's built in. Like I said, it's pretty cool. I'm still testing it though. Um, I just added this buyers versus sellers little wheel widget thing here with the kind of imitate bookmap.
Mm.
Thought that was kind of cool. And then yeah, I just added the whole freaking double click to see the chart. And this is where I'm at with the chart. I'm gonna do some tweaks to it so it's so it's better, but this is where I'm at.
So what does a finished product look like for you?
I don't even know yet, man. I don't even know. You keep giving,
Hmm.
you know, ideas of features and stuff, and I'll see if I can add it, add them in there.
That's how developers keep their job. They have a final product. It works. The work slows. They say, "Oh, let's add features." And what this feature does is it's going to break two other existing features, but it's going to add this cool capability that the customers just can't live without. The client can't live without.
Yeah.
It keeps them employed.
All right. Well, that's yeah. So this is my flow tool I built. Well, I'm still working on. Pretty cool. Let me
Mhm.
exit my short. I did hop in short. Let me just close that because I'm not. Yeah. All right. All right. That's that. Let me show y'all the new final. I do have the final product of the journal built by with Claude.
Let's see it.
started started with
Excited to see.
started with ChatGPT, finished with Claude.
We started with
Oh
Chat
shoot.
GPT. Now we're here.
Right. Um yeah. So
Oh no, is
here's
this a is this a an application that lives in your browser or is this it works
nah.
somewhere?
This is an actual Windows application. It's an executable file that I've built.
Wow.
Or yeah. So I have all the files, and then I made it executable to run as an application. So essentially it's just a desktop application.
So where's it being hosted at? Where's it stored?
Everything's
Is
in
it?
Python.
Oh,
So my Python files.
I well, I guess what I was trying to well, I guess the real question I was trying to ask, like, where is it storing all of your data? There's no database that it's using, or
Oh yeah,
it's
yeah.
probably just using your local storage.
Yeah, for the journal.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the journal, it's a Python database, and
Okay.
so that way I just tweaked it to get it. So I added before it was Tradeovate only or Tradeovate NinjaTrader. It took
Mhm.
me a little while to add Kraken because Kraken is so cracked, basically. Like they don't have a
Mhm.
clean export file that has my trades and then the balances. So it took me a while. Basically, it's a two-step upload for Kraken.
Mhm.
Um, I got to upload the trades, and then I got to upload the ledger, the balance of my
Okay.
account, and then it reconciles everything together, and then um, gives me or it'll let me know if everything lines up or if something's messed up and I'm missing something or whatever. But this is just from the 18th and 19th, the calendar I got, the two days I traded
Mhm.
from last week. This will once I finish for tonight or whatever, the Sunday will probably be populated or once I re-upload. But yeah, I got it. I like this version a lot better than my than the old Chat GPT version. The Chat GPT version looked like it was built for Windows 95.
That's probably what it was using.
Like
That's
yeah,
that's exactly what he wants.
he
He
right.
wants this.
Yeah. So yeah, I was gonna do a whole little video on this journal and everything and the flow tool, but I was like, yeah, the flow tool's still working on it. It's not complete. And the journal, I feel like it's there. I feel like it's done. And
Yeah.
I can't think of
That looks nice, man.
oh, appreciate it. Can't think of anything else to add. I got here's the actual journal side, so you can click on. I just uploaded this screenshot in here that I had. You can upload a screenshot to a trade or whatever. You know, if
Mhm.
you want to remember that trade and go back and look at it later, click on it, pops up a bigger window of that screenshot, so you
Mhm.
can review or whatever you want to do. Um, this was just a little test entry. You can type everything you want down here, and that's basically your journal side. You got to hit save though. Make sure you hit save. and then that saves everything in the database. And yeah, it has all the relevant information. I told it to, make it look like TradeZella. TradeZella was the standard that it was going off of. Well, actually, so I uploaded my the files from ChatGPT, the original from the original journal I built, and then I told Claude to improve on it and make it better. So this was the
Mm.
original here. I just pulled up. It's cool. Don't get me wrong, but it looks like it was meant for like Windows 95.
Mm.
Not as not as clean looking as the Claude update, but it's straight.
Shit.
It's usable.
Well, I guess your application was too powerful for YouTube because my application just force quit on me. Hold on. As soon as you pulled it up, it force quit. Hold
Oh, really?
on. Yeah. It's too powerful for YouTube. All right. So okay, yeah, I can come back up. All right, I see you. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it is simple. It's not cute,
Yeah,
but
right.
it definitely did its job.
Right. It gets the job done. It's not,
Yeah.
don't have that Claude touch to it, but it got the job done. Claude just took it and
Hmm.
was like, yeah, let's make this legit.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, I guess we'll see. Mm. Now we just gotta stop bullshitting, man. Gotta just stop bullshitting.
I know, right?
This week, I'm not bullshitting this week, man. I'm not gonna bullshit this week. How about you?
Yeah. That sounds like a good plan going forward this week.
You know
It's
what you need to, you know what you need to say to yourself, Smith?
what's that?
You need to say to yourself when you're about to go on tilt, you should say, is 30K Smith, would he make this kind of decision? Would 30K Smith make this kind of decision?
Yeah,
That's just,
that's true. I'm
yeah.
trying to get back to that mindset that I had when I started that.
What was your mindset?
That's what I'm trying to get back to. I'm trying to remember like I that no, I'm serious. Like it's funny how it sounds, but I'm serious. I'm like, I told
Yeah.
myself that week, I'm like, we're gonna go into the market with the Mamba mentality. Like the job's not finished. And I literally like told myself that. I mean, those 2 weeks was just like generational though.
Mm,
Everything lined up. Gold was hitting, smacking the highs and moving like crazy.
hmm. Yeah. Listen to that book, Relentless. You're trying to get back into that Mamba mentality.
Yeah.
That's the book you need to listen to. Is Relentless.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's when it comes to the NQ, you kind of have to have like because I mean you made most of it in gold, and gold at the time was, man, if you missed that generational move with gold, because not only is gold trades like the ES and moves like the Nasdaq, that is just a great combination because you don't have to risk much. You really don't have to risk a lot with gold, but if you were right, you made so much money. And I guess we were all naive to think that gold would continue to move as beautifully as she once did. She was a beautiful mover.
Yeah.
Now, I guess whatever oh, what the elites what they use to make themselves look young, and then they run out of it. Shit, gold must have been on the same shit because she used to be a mover, just moving, just a
Yeah.
move, and now. Gold, she don't move that way no more. You have to be patient with her and pick your damn spots now. With gold, which sucks.
Yeah.
Look at her just running. Look at her just running this imbalance just to do it. I mean, gold had this massive pump, but before the pump, I mean, look at all this chopping that gold is doing now, man. It's just sad to see. It's sad to see her in this state. This is a
Well,
15-minute chart.
the powers
Every
that be killed it.
I know, man. You wouldn't even think this is a 15-minute chart. You would think this is a 1-minute chart I'm looking at. This is a 15-minute chart on gold.
Wow.
I know, right? She ain't as bad as she used to be. But I still think that we're going back down to like 32, probably 2000, probably 27 maybe. It's working its way down there. It's working its way down there because that breakout pullback. I mean, I guess if this holds, I think Amina Smith was talking about this. This is the only support that gold has. If gold breaks 4,000, really this low at 420. Where's this low at? Yeah, so the low is at 418. If it breaks that low, there's no support underneath that low. That shit's coming back down here. And the high of that breakout is at 36. 36 was that number that the market broke out from. We probably might get like the market to pull back to 36, and we probably get a move back up to like the 4,000. But it's gonna probably be like a rejection hotspot at like 4,000, maybe 42 or something like that, and then it'll probably come right back down with gold. Of course, this bitch Nasdaq stopped me out, and then it's trying to push higher. Typical NQ behavior.
Yeah.
Typical. But I'm not going to. I'm not gonna chase Nasdaq. I'm not chasing her no more. She stopped me out. She stopped me out. Oh shit. Oh, actually, I might get back in this. Actually, I might get back in this. Nasdaq made that pattern on the 1 minute. She made that pattern on the 1 minute. Where's the high of that? The high of that is 84. Nasdaq made the pattern. All right, I'll jump back into Nasdaq one more time, man. One more time. I'm trying to get the best. See if I can try to get the best entry possible. Because you made that order block. This is an order block right here on the 1 minute.
Yeah. I had to close that short because that's shorting anything is just risk. It just seems like so much risk. It's sad to
Yeah.
say because it didn't used to feel like that back in the day with NQ. You could take a short setup and be like, "Yeah, I did that."
Yeah. 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 You can't even say yeah no more when
I know.
you're profitable and sure. Yeah, baby.
You too busy stressing if it's gonna come back to break even.
Yeah.
Oh man. Can't even celebrate like you used to.
Shit, when it finally hits TP, if it hits TP, it
If
take a whole mental break.
I know. Yep. Yeah, so tomorrow at lunch, I'm gonna come home and see. Like I said, I wanna see the option side and how, because I told it to make the chart like, and I inputted that screenshot to for the gamma levels. So I want to see how that looked tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully all that stuff works out for him. I might look into it. I might look into it. I want the futures data. I mean, I'm operating off the options data, but
Mm-hmm.
I want to see how accurate that the futures data is, because if that's the case, I don't have to trade off of the Qs. I can just trade off of NQ itself.
Right. Yeah. I mean, that's actually pretty nice. That's why when I saw that, I was like, oh shoot, that's kind of an advantage there. You getting direct futures data.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we know it's all correlated stuff, but like if you just had only the options right now, you wouldn't be able to look at the futures data.
Mm-hmm.
You know, to catch any potential overnight moves or whatever.
Oh, Pedro, you're down $1,000. Are you long or short? I mean, honestly, I mean, can you really tell who's in control right now? I feel like the Bulls are about to step back up, but then the Bears are just stair stepping this thing down as per usual. So it's like, are the Bears being non-straight here, or did the Bulls go away? I mean, what's going on here?
Yeah.
I mean, we are seeing that reaction from the women in order block. So hold on, where'd you go short? Where was your short at? Did you close
Um,
it?
I did close it. I was short at. I got in a little late on the move. I was short at like 606, and then
606. Oh, okay.
yeah, I wanted 630, but we never quite made it back there
Mm,
after that first initial drop.
mm,
Yeah, that's where I wanted to get in at 630, but I missed it. Then it kept kind of like, I was like, oh shoot, is this gonna go back up? Is that it?
mm.
I'm like, I feel like it should be a fail, but I don't know. We filled the gap. That's mission complete. And so what I thought, I messaged you earlier. I was like maybe 3,700, and then we see a drop.
Mm-hmm.
We still have the negative delta up there in that area, and then we've seen it hit on Friday 3705, and then it kind of attempted to break it, but it couldn't break before it started that drop before the market closed on Friday. But that was a half day. Damn. Now it's looking like I probably should have maybe held the short, but
Yeah.
these bulls though, man. I mean, I see how it makes sense, but I didn't like my positioning. I wanted a little bit higher on the short to be more comfortable.
Yeah. I mean, the one thing that I had to become very
Damn.
comfortable with the Nasdaq about, dang, you closed your short, didn't you?
Damn. You just talking. I see this price just dropping. It's like I get an alert on this thing. Oh, it moved 10 points in under 20 seconds. I'm like, oh my gosh. Damn. Sellers leaning in. Oh my gosh.
Shit, if this thing bounces here, I'll just be getting my money back. But it don't look like it's gonna bounce here.
Oh
It
my
don't look like it's gonna
gosh.
bounce here.
Damn it, damn it, damn it. That sucks. Well, I mean,
Yeah,
oh my
it don't look like
gosh.
it's gonna bounce.
I thought, they were kind of struggling to take it below VWAP, so I thought the Bulls were going to probably come in there at VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
But it don't matter.
Well, I mean,
Shorts. Oh, go ahead.
go ahead, my bad. Nah, I'm not saying. Go ahead.
I was just gonna say shorts. Shorts are short lived anyway. I just probably look for the next long opportunity.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because I mean, that was kind of my reasoning too. I figured that, well, we did just had a failed breakout. It's just that I hate, but it's me. It's not the market. It's me. It's not the Nasdaq. It's me. I don't think I've seen a situation where the market failed to break out above a high and it pulled back and it continued. I just don't feel comfortable ever taking the short. I just don't. I just don't. So I'll just take the long, even though, because in hopes that, oh, we might actually get a push back to the highs, but it failed to take out those. I mean, if you look to the left, it failed to take out. I mean, it took out this high. It took out the opening, the high or the open. I mean, well, first we had an opening gap. Then it took out the high, and it failed to push above that high. And that's always a failed breakout. You're supposed to go the opposite direction of a failed breakout. But these Nasdaq bears, man, they just suck, and it's just hard to get on board with them. Now, if you got on board with them, well, you'll be a happy trader right now.
Yeah. I mean that push. What was the reasoning behind that push up though at 7 o'clock? That was
It,
crazy.
if you go to your 15 minute, go to your 15 minute, and you'll see that that pivot low that took out this and all that structure right there. It retested that low right there. So it basically filled all this orders, swiped that low, and then we got that move back up.
Oh, it went into that zone right there. Man, that's crazy. Cause but it was so aggressive though. Like that 15-minute
Hmm.
candle,
Hmm.
143 points.
Yeah, that's when you just get in and pray, go long and pray.
I was like,
Ah,
yo,
shit.
because I thought you see that area below on your chart. That's where I thought we was gonna
Hmm.
go, like
Hmm.
to maybe double bottom at that previous Wednesday low at around 280, 285, whatever it was,
Hmm.
and then was hoping. Well, whenever the shorts do decide they want to come in, they got to retest the 29 900s. But honestly, I don't even know what it's going to take to get a move like that
Trump.
again. Yeah, again. Trump, yeah.
Cape, Cape Trader says this market is toast. Why you think so, Cape Trader? It's crazy that honestly I don't know what to believe, man. I don't know what to believe. I mean, who's in control? Is it Israel or is it the United States? Who's in control for real? My guess would be Israel's our shadow government, but Trump and Vance are both saying we're your only allies. If you bite us in the hand, you're not going to have anybody on your side. A comment like that is like, huh, that's an interesting comment. But that comment that Trump's made about our reserves, we only have 4 weeks of reserves left. And what's his name? Mark Rubio. He's always like, oh my God, he's like, why is he saying that? Why is he saying this? It's like he's always holding his breath, hoping that Trump doesn't say something he's not supposed to say.
Yeah.
At this point, Trump don't give a fuck. People try to call it dementia. I just think he doesn't care. He's just like, oh yeah, whatever. It is what it is, right? I mean, it could be dementia. Who knows? I don't know Trump, but you can tell that Mark Rubio is always like, my God, hopefully he doesn't say anything he's not supposed to. Yeah, yeah. I mean, that does happen. But if you want to trade the craziest, because I mean, I guess we all could be traded the ES. I mean, if you want better price action, I guess we could just trade the ES, right? But we're here
Yes.
trading the NQ. I know, right? I mean, you want beautiful, clean, non-malicious price action? There you go. There you go. Look at the ES. Structured. I can't trade this shit though. You can't. I can't trade this.
It's funny.
And that's on the 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, ES almost took my account away on Friday, so she's banned. And when I like, dude, the ES is definitely it's the ES. It's not even the NQ for real. It's the ES. If you start off with the Nasdaq and never trade the ES, you would think that all these prop accounts are designed with the Nasdaq in mind, and it's not. All these accounts, especially the trailing drawdown accounts, it's the ES, and I'm convinced of that. Once you can look at an ES chart and be like, oh yeah, I definitely would have done that, or I would have done that. But then when you get into a trade, you'll be right, but because it takes about 20 minutes, 30 minutes for the market to actually go in the direction that you want, and then it'll still kind of pull back for no reason to the break even, it is so mentally taxing how slow it moves. You have to be super patient with the ES. And if you're used to trading the Nasdaq, dude, it's just no way. It's torture. It's
Yeah.
literally torture, and
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with that.
I completely agree.
It's like, why hasn't it moved yet? Nasdaq just moved 200 points. Why did the ES only move 5? Like, why? ES, why? And the ES only moved 5 points, and Nasdaq just moved 200 points back and forth. And the ES
Yeah.
hasn't even done nothing. I mean, we get it. The ES is 500 stocks compared to 200, blah, 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 blah. But shit, move. I mean, we already know at this point the market don't move off that shit for real. We know, but we know that. Oh yeah, speaking of that, you did see that Anthropic and OpenAI is going to do the same thing that SpaceX did with the Nasdaq, right? You did see that, right?
What, their IPO?
Yeah, they're gonna IPO. Yeah, the same way that SpaceX IPO'd. Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna have like special rules and stuff and special lockup periods.
I'm pretty sure, but I was speaking more towards making your 4OK forced by it.
Oh, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. I don't know, man. It's giving real euphoria, IPO vibes, and I don't know. People are too happy in the market. That's an indicator in itself. When that euphoria hits, hey, take your profit.
Mm-hmm.
Go go all cash for a little while. Something big's
I'm
about to
not going
happen.
cash.
You can buy
AI is
in.
the future. I want to
Right.
invest in AI stock.
Right. Well, you'll get a chance at a much, much lower price once this euphoria is over. I don't know. That's just what it feels. I'm just waiting on the catalyst to take it there and keep it there because these markets are different, man. Bears
Yeah,
can't
they
keep
are.
nothing. They can't keep price down for nothing. Man, no matter how hard they try.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, I'm surprised the Bears even try at this point.
Yeah.
We're just glad that the Bears are stubborn. That's the only reason why we have a functioning market because for whatever reason, every bear, it's like they inject every bear with just super stubbornness. It's like, fuck it. I'm not going long. I'm going short. I'm gonna build a house. I'm gonna build a chimney. Oh geez, know what that came from. I'm pretty sure people don't even understand the reference or recognize the reference. I'm gonna build a house. I'm gonna build a roof. I'm gonna build a chimney. There's gonna be clouds over my house. You know where I got that from, Smith?
Nah, where'd you get it from?
Dude, you call yourself a bear? What? Nah, I'm just playing. So remember back in the this is back in the heyday of financial influencers, gurus, Panda, Panda on Twitter.
Oh
He's
yeah,
a
yeah. I remember. Yeah, okay. I
yeah,
remember that dude. Yeah.
yeah. He was telling all his followers and his scrolls. I'm building a house. I'm building a chimney in a roof. He's talking about price action. It's like, yeah, this is the house. This is the roof. This is the chimney. It's gonna get knocked down, dude. If he held that shit, I mean, I haven't seen a Panda post, but if he went full port short, dude, it never went back down. Never, or it hasn't come back down. I don't think it's going back down because he was short from. This is when the price hit like what 350 on SPY, and it was making its way back up. Dude, we're at like what 600-700 on SPY now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Man, this is cooked.
yeah.
He got
And
liquidated.
and if he's a real bear, he put all his money and life savings into that short.
Michael
All
Burry
right,
with
man. Let me
with
just close that shit.
his Nvidia shorts and Palantir. He's like, I told you I was right. Yeah, holding that, taking in that pain, shorting Nvidia. His thesis is everything is all inflated. Their numbers are inflated.
No way. Did I just close out of a winning position? No way. No way. Hmm. No, Smith.
Yeah,
Smith.
yeah, I see it.
Smith.
Like, where does this energy
What?
come from? From these? That's what I'm saying. Like,
After I close the position?
he closed.
What? Did I just get Bogdanov just now? He closed. He panicked so. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's diabolical, man.
Oh my god. All right, man. Whatever, dude. All right, dude. All
Yeah, you
right,
just
man.
gotta let it go. When it comes to stuff like that, you just gotta let it go. Move on to the next trade.
Yeah, yeah. It's not fair. Because I did it to myself. Oh my god.
I mean, shoot, I closed out of the short. I could have caught. Let's see if I held it. Yeah, that was a good
Dark Max.
58, almost 60 points. It's not bad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, well, maybe it'll give me another opportunity. Nasdaq. Why? I did everything. I did everything you wanted. I did everything you asked. Why? Oh man. All right, whatever, dude.
But the structure,
What?
the structure is
What did
not
I?
right for it to go up right here. Not yet. This doesn't
Mm,
make sense.
yeah.
Looking at these higher time frames.
Uh, man. 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 What time frame you looking at?
I looked at the 30-minute, and the 4 hour. I mean, I got the hour because
That's
you know I
the
got that higher time frame indicator thing on TradingView, so it has the
yeah.
hour candles right next to it. So structurally, this doesn't make sense to go up right here. I mean, obviously anything could happen, but
I mean, we gaslit
structurally,
the Nasdaq to stop you out when it thought you were short.
yeah.
I'll never forget that because it wicked past the stop. Like it wicked past it and then it came back down. I never seen such anima. Oh my. Oh. Mm, mm. Oh wow. 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 Hmm. Mm. Damn. 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 So if it goes to about if it goes past 603, that would have been my uh half of the position going off at 603, half of the position.
Dang.
I know, right? Damn.
So what's going on? What's the news for tomorrow? Shouldn't be anything crazy. You got any Trump speeches to look out for?
Mm,
Damn. What an opportunity to get in long that I missed.
yeah. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Why? 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 No, the real question is why did I close? Why did I close it? It it didn't even come close to my stop. I just saw that it was going down, and so I figured, well, I guess I should just save the money. It came nowhere. My stop was at 38. My entry was at, or actually, my entry was at 40, 540. My entry was at 660, and I saw that it was doing this bullshit, so I just closed it before it hit my stop. I don't know what possessed me to do that. I don't know. I held on to my other losers. What was so bad about this one?
Mm.
And the only difference is that this loser, the one I actually closed, is the one that worked out. Mm.
Yeah. All right, Nasdaq. What's your next move, man? Because what are we doing here? Trying to pop up and take out. Because if she's trying to pop to 3,700 or higher, I'm with that. I could get down with that.
Hmm.
I just need to know. Let me know what you're trying to do.
Mm. Well, that does look like a good spot to run stops. Run stops above that high right there at 596. That's a good. You have a bunch of buy stops above this. I mean, it's not a swing high or anything, but there is definitely buy stops because you can see that people were trying to go long right there at the 50%, and the bears used it to reject. So they ran the sell stops, and so there's buy stops above there. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe should I? No, no, no. I'm about to go to bed. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, we probably should. We're probably going to see price kind of run above 590. Man, they're gonna probably see a stop run right here potentially. I mean, it could reject back to that imbalance right there that it left. It could come back and reject there, but or it could reject and go back to that nah, I don't think so. Oh yeah, did you check the news? Let me do that, I guess. There goes that stop run right there. There goes the stop run right above that entry. Mm. Hmm. Damn. So I would have got my first TP hit if I stayed in the position. That would have been a great way to end the stream. I took away that opportunity from myself. Half of my position would have came off right there. Mhm. And y'all wonder when y'all ask me, sure, why don't you just do this? Why are you so stubborn? Because the situations like this mold me, turn me into what? The Joker's what they say? Dude, literally had a great entry. Literally closed the position for whatever reason. What possessed me to close the position? Don't know.
Dang, what is
And
going? I just look back at the chart, man. What 50 plus points?
yeah, yeah. Nah, okay, Trade. I'm not gonna go until this is so this account is my um it's kind of my throwaway account, kind of. This is my Asia session account because honestly, the only reason why I trade Asia is because I'm streaming with you guys. So I need an account to trade, and this is that account for Asia. I don't ever bring out my the accounts that I work hard on during the Asia session. Those accounts, unless I'm on like the last day of like a payout or something like that, and I don't want to wait until the morning. So I just get the minimum. That's the only reason why I would ever trade a Asia session or open if I'm on the last day for a payout. But I do all my work in the AM session. Those accounts that I'll probably go tilt on. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I'll go tilt on those accounts for sure. But this account, I'll cry about it on the treadmill tomorrow, and I'll get over it. Shit, it might actually pull back to the top of that order block, because this would be they broke it, and then they broke it back above it, and then they used the top of it, so they might pull back. They might pull back to the top of this order block right here, right where the VWAP used to be at 85. We'll see, but I doubt the Bears will do that. I doubt it. Are you done trading for the night, Smith, or are you gonna stay up with this?
No, I'm done. I'm trying to figure out why my pivots aren't showing on here.
Your Camarilla pivots?
Yeah, on TradingView. It does say they need to be updated.
You know, I finally took mines off. I don't ever use them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I finally just took mines off because just seems like I mean, they're on the chart. It's using up resources, and I don't ever use it. So
yeah.
Damn. NASDAQ. Why? Why, NASDAQ? Why? I don't deserve this. Okay. Well, we got 2 more minutes, so I guess I'm gonna try. Like I said, I'm gonna try something different this week. Over the weekend, I kind of just had that talk with myself, and just really just actually sat down and considered how I want to approach the market moving forward. And obviously, we kind of want a strategy that we can come to with the market, or come to the market with, and just execute and just accept what happens. So there is 2 ranges that happens every single trading session. That's the opening range and the initial balance. My plan moving forward is probably having an account one account focus on the opening range, and then have an account that focus on the initial balance, and just trade off of both of those ranges, because like I said, the NASDAQ is random, but the opening range, the 15-minute opening range, and the 1-hour initial balance happens every single day. That's the one thing that stays consistent on the NASDAQ every trading session. And you can kind of create your strategy around both of those ranges. You can easily fade the highs and low on both the opening range and the initial balance. You can trade the 50%. You can trade the failed breakout back into the range, the failed breakdown back into the range. I mean, there's so many good opportunities. Oh my God, NASDAQ, you nasty. NASDAQ, no. No, oh no, I don't deserve this. NASDAQ.
Oh man. Yeah. I'm sorry. That I know your pain. I felt that way too many times with that happening.
I'm revenge trading. I'm full porting.
Just gotta let it go. Let it go, bro. Let it go, bro. Let it go.
It's not worth it, man. It's not worth it.
I'm sitting here looking at
It's
this.
not fair.
Yeah, I'm looking at this freaking tool and all this. These alerts are green.
Oh man.
It's like momentum up.
Right now, if I was in, I'll be saying, "Yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah." But now,
Man,
I get to cry on my pillow tonight about what could have been.
no. But
You know,
now
honestly, I think. All right, go ahead.
the question is like, how high does this want to go?
It's gonna probably take those highs out, man. Oh shit. It's gonna probably take those highs out, or well, it's gonna probably take these highs out. But I think we probably see a rejection in this little 15-minute imbalance, or this is a 15-minute order block right here. So this is a 15-minute order block. So I actually gotta change this to an order block. All right, so that's a 15-minute order block right there. So we'll see if the market trades past this area right here. We'll see. I don't like trading. Like the 15-minute order block is probably the biggest order block that I will trade from. I will reference the 1 hour and above because like the 15-minute will still kind of trade at that 50% and you can probably get a reaction. But anything bigger than the 15-minute from what I found is that the 1 hour, if you're in a 1 hour imbalance, it's highly unlikely to continue to go past it. But if you try to put a set a limit at the 50%, it's going to probably bounce probably at the top or 25%. Like if I put like a GAN box, let's just imagine that this is like an hourly imbalance right here. It's highly likely to bounce at the bottom of it or the 25%. But then it'll pull back and run through all of this, swipe the liquidity at the highs, and then you can probably get a move to back to the downside. But with these 1 hours, I continuously see that with the Nasdaq, with the fake outs and stuff. So we'll see. Probably like 640, 650. We'll probably see a rejection, and that's probably where the market is going right now. 640, 650. Mm, mm, yeah. But all right. Well, so you got anything else? I'm about to pack it up and I'm about to go to bed.
Yeah, I'm about to shut it down too. I got nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Okay.
I'm gonna just I'm gonna leave this thing on just to let it run throughout the night. And
Are you gonna stream your tool?
no.
Oh, okay, okay. My bad, my bad.
No. No. I'm gonna just
You
leave
said, I
it.
thought you said you're gonna leave it on. I was
I'm
like,
gonna
hold on,
leave
you
it
about to stream
on.
it?
No,
Okay.
no, no. I'm gonna leave it on my computer and see what it's looking like in the morning. Let's see
I
what
was like,
this.
oh, okay.
Okay, this chart. The chart. Y'all don't understand when I talk about this chart. I mean, how much of an improvement this is, but it's still not there yet. So, but yeah, yeah, I'm about to pack it up too.
Okay. All right, guys. I definitely appreciate everybody that joined us tonight. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we will definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.
Peace. And yeah, appreciate y'all joining my stream, checking out the tool. Gotta tweak it, make it better. But yeah, we'll get to it. Dust it off the stream. I'm still here. We'll be back. We just working in the background. But all right, y'all. Peace.
Peace out, everybody.